Good day.
Hello.
Well, hi. Welcome to the Founder BB Show, as I broadcast here live from Dallas, Texas on a global platform. Ashante.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much for joining us. I want my audience to know that the Grammy Award winner, Ashante, she's got a new single CD we get to talk about, and she's got something going on with the First Lady, Michelle Obama. You're just really hot, aren't you?
I'm trying to stay hydrated.
Well, you are doing very, very well. Oh, great. Oh, a great lead-in. Okay, let's go for the First Lady then, since you said hydrated. Tell me about your project with Michelle Obama.
It's an amazing, amazing campaign. We worked together before on her Let's Move campaign, where I had a song called Just Believe on her hip-hop album. So Drink Up was kind of like the next phase, the new edition, and it was something really, really cool and something that's never been done before for social media, you know, just releasing the song and the video the way that we're doing it. So I'm like, oh my gosh, this is an awesome opportunity. So I was very happy to be a part of it.
Okay, so what is the campaign about?
Basically, we're kind of encouraging people and motivating people to just make the easy choice and drink water. You know, it's sexy, it's cool, it makes your skin nice. So it's just encouraging people. And with my song, Let's Go, in the video, we put out a dehydrated version and a hydrated version. So basically what I'm asking all the fans to do is tweet #DrinkUpAshanti. And the more you tweet, the more vibrant the video becomes. So it turns from brown and dehydrated and dark to hydrated and just visual and vibrant, and the same with the song. It goes from being kind of muffled, you can't hear the vocals, you can't hear all the music, and as you keep tweeting, it becomes a full-fledged song that you can hear fully. So it's kind of like a metaphor of what happens when you drink water.
Well, how cutting edge. And also, too, with drinking water, which is a very simple thing to do, there are many of us who are just dehydrated. We think we're hungry, so we eat and we get overweight, and then we become obese, but we're really just thirsty.
Absolutely. That is so true. And that's why it's so important. And to encourage people, it's just so simple. You might think you want a donut, but really you just want some water.
Try some water. And we are a nation that water is very plentiful. We're very blessed in that we have clean drinking water. We can buy water. Mm-hmm. So, it's a simple thing that we can do. Only thing I would encourage you guys who are listening, make sure you recycle your bottles. That is so important, Ashante.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay, so you are working with the First Lady. You got this new single, Let's Go. Where can we get the single, Let's Go?
You can go to drinkupashanti.com, and it will be available everywhere. So if it's iTunes, if it's Amazon, if it's Google, you can find it everywhere. As long as you keep tweeting #drinkupashanti and make sure that it's fully hydrated, it'll be available everywhere.
Okay, Ashanti, you are a pop icon. You really are.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm just saying what I know to be true. Okay, are we going to see you on the little screen or the big screen anytime?
Oh, absolutely. I actually just shot a television show called Unforgettable, and it'll be airing December 4th. And it's really crazy because I play like a sexy jazz singer that's trying to murder someone. So, so this is something I haven't done before, so I'm definitely looking forward to seeing it. It's going to be really cool.
Well, we'll be looking forward to seeing you. And once again, tell us where we can find out more information and participate in getting the single and the Drink Up. Let's drink up.
You can go right to drinkupashanti.com to see the video and hear the new song, and you can also go to AshantiThisIsMe.com, which is my website, and follow me on Twitter @Ashanti.
We will be doing that, and I want America to drink up. This is something you can drink up without any negative implications. So I want you guys to follow Ashanti. Go to her website. Once again, where do you want them to go, Ashanti?
drinkupashanti.com.
Well, you and the First Lady are doing a great job, so thanks so very much for talking about it on the Valder Beebe Show. We're going to support you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashanti.
Okay, bye-bye.